Goedemorgen. Today's day 2 of the roof build.
My name is Karenna. This is Shanae. And we are building strength by moving off-grid. Become part of this story on Patreon and read our private blog. Sponsor a square meter of the enough garden and watch it come to life.
Yeah, it's 7 a.m. and it is already pretty sunny. But still a little cold, so it won't be terrible. Our neighbor will be here at 8 to help us finish. By the end of the day, we will have a roof. Then, after the holidays, we're going to continue digging out the foundation again from the rains and put the bricks down so that we can fill in the foundation and put up the wattle and clay walls. And it looks like we actually have not enough materials to do the full second room, but we do have some that we can get started sooner than we thought on part 2. But for now we need to focus on step 1, room 1. And today we're getting a roof. Our roof. So today we'll be finishing the roof. Mostly Shanae and the guys, and I'll be helping, of course, when they need me to lift stuff and move stuff. That's what I do. But Shanae's a technical brain. I'm definitely more interested in all this. So for me, I'll be working on the Build a House Challenge, which is our online fitness challenges that encourage people to work out 33 minutes a day. I design purposeful warm-up, exercise, and cool-downs for 5 days a week, and have a group where people come together, share their inputs, their creativity when it comes to working out with different materials, or scaling the exercises, depending on what you need. So it's been very cool, and I'm excited to see where it keeps going, and keep learning along the way to build strength for everyone. Let's go back down. Okay. Whew. Cheeks are red. I went for a run. I came back and they're ready to put the roof up. So I have to move these boards and get the, what do you call it?
Okay, the IVR plates is underneath.
The plates.
IVR steel plates, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Aluminium
A
plates.
technical term. Okay. So we can get the roof out underneath here. Oh, sorry.
This you can put there because we're going to use this. 3 of them.
Where are we going?
Just put it there, that side, yes.
What's that side?
Because I'm not going to use this.
Oh,
Put it
okay.
here.
You're shorty. This one too.
instructies. So 15 centimeter, so ja, jy overlap hom omtrent 10 centimeter, 15. So jy gaan weer kom, sorry, ek het nie nou geluister nie.
Sorry, yeah?
The front planks, the 114 mils going across.
Okay.
So here, you're gonna attach from there to there, it's 2 meters, so that takes 4 panels.
Okay.
And then he's now swapping around a thin and a thick one so that you can have another 4 panels attached. So now the plank is thicker and wider so that you can attach the brackets better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic.
Yeah, then we put this one
That's all.
right
Dit gaan niet bij me. Dit gaan weer. You guys want to keep going? It says dit gaan niet weer. So we'll see. But for now, we're gonna put the camera away. See what happens.